What's up bafflers, James Woodruff here. This is a random last minute video. It seems there's a strange bug with the Facebook app on iOS. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and ding so you don't miss a thing. For limited edition merch, techbaffle.shop. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm doing this whole video unscripted and unedited. This is probably an all-time first for TechBaffle. It doesn't usually end well, so hopefully this all works as planned. So I was just reading this article here on the Register, and it says that the Facebook iOS app silently turns on your phone camera. Relax, it's just a bug. Lol. And yeah, it's a little bit creepy, so I'll show you the tweets. So from Daryl Lazarfin, he says that Facebook app on iOS 13.2.2 opens my phone's rear camera when I open a profile photo, swipe down to return. Look at the little slit on the left of the video. Is this an app bug or an iOS bug? At Facebook, at Apple support. So yeah, as you can tell, it's like a live sort of camera in the background whilst you're just browsing through Facebook, which is a bit strange. So yeah, a few other people like Orphic Pixel has also got this as well. As you can see, look, live camera in the background whilst on Facebook. As far as I know, this is on iOS only. Some people are reporting on an older iOS 12.4.1. As far as I can tell, this is not on Android, so I don't think this is on Android. I could be wrong. So I don't know if any of you have had this problem. If you have had this problem, let me know in the comments below. If you haven't had this problem, also let me know in the comments, because it's always interesting to see the points on both sides. So yeah, it's all a bit interesting. So people are maybe a little bit suspicious because they're thinking, what is Facebook just letting the camera roll on in the background? That's a bit strange, a little bit creepy. So this bug maybe has potentially made everyone aware that Facebook constantly leaves the camera running in the background. Although, in Facebook's defense, they do have a camera app built into the app itself. So it could have just got stuck and it isn't supposed to be rolling the whole time. Either way, it is a bit strange. So this tweet was on November the 10th. It's now the 15th today, which is part of the reason why I'm not editing this video, because that'll just take time and we need to just get this video out there. We haven't got time for editing. So yeah, so what was I? Yeah, so if there's a app update, check your app store and make sure that your Facebook app is all up to date, because by now, if you're still getting this problem, Facebook should have fixed this glitch and provided an app update. Either that, or they may have just somehow created a fix on the existing app, but I'm guessing there's probably going to be an update for it, just so it gets rid of the bug, because Facebook are probably not wanting that sort of attention. It's not very good on their side. It makes people feel a little bit strange about using Facebook. Like, use it to scroll through newsfeed, look at terrible memes, say "Okay, boomer" to every person. So there's just things to. That's the sort of thing you do on Facebook, and you expect to do that without constantly being watched. Now, it could just be a live camera feed, like only you can see it, but I'm not completely sure whether Facebook sees it or records it or takes pictures or what, or records audio or whatever. It's all a bit strange. So so let me know if you get this problem. If not, let me know. If you do, let me know. So that's all about that. So unfortunately, I haven't managed to create this problem myself, so I can't show you what I have. I can't manage to get it myself. So obviously, it's not everyone this is affected. It's not affecting everybody, but it's affecting quite a few people. So thanks for watching. I'll put the link to the Register in the comment. I'll put a link to the Register and the Twitter link in the description. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Don't forget to subscribe and ding so you don't miss a thing. 5k on the way. If you like this video, smash that like button. Daily uploads, Don't forget to follow me at TechBaffle. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. For all the latest, head over to techbaffle.com. Thanks for watching and have a baffling day.